This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the Betta Flex, and this is their latest model in their solar power surface cleaners. And you'll notice right away that this is a smaller and more compact version of their Betta cleaner, and this is designed for smaller pools. This is also great for the Infinity Edge pools. They move their sensors down to the bottom, so if you have an Infinity Edge pool, this would be a great cleaner for you. And if you're using a corded robotic pool cleaner in the pool, they have this anti-tangle mechanism that will prevent the cord from being sucked in. If you have a suction side cleaner, you can get these hose weights and place them on the cleaner hoses strategically to drop the hose below the water line. This will allow the cleaner to pass over the hoses with no problem. The sides of the cleaner are made out of a softer material, and this will prevent it from scratching or damaging the pool tiles. And this cleaner features dual modes. You have normal and eco mode. If you have it in normal mode, it'll run 24/7 in the pool. If you put it in eco mode, it'll actually conserve power and run periodically in the pool. And here's the solar panel on top, and it takes about 6 hours to fully charge, and the manufacturer claims that it'll run for 30 hours on a full charge. And it has an easy open top. Currently it's in the closed position. Turn it to open, and then you can access the debris basket. And even though the cleaner is compact, it does have a large debris basket. And also included is the owner's manual. You also have this foam float. You're going to cut the size, and you'll stick this in front of the skimmer opening to prevent the cleaner from being sucked in to the skimmer as the pool is operating. And it's really easy to size the foam noodle. Go ahead and measure your skimmer opening and then cut the foam noodle. And you want to make sure when you stick it in the skimmer that half of it is sticking out into the pool. And this again will prevent the cleaner from being sucked into the skimmer while the pool is operating. And I've reviewed many of these solar power surface cleaners over the years, and I think the Betta is one of the best solar surface cleaner manufacturers out there today. Again, it does a great job of keeping the surface clean and gives it a glass-like look as it picks up all the debris that the skimmer may miss. It also keeps debris from falling to the floor, making the pool much cleaner each week. And here it is after 2 weeks in the pool, and of course it went through a major windstorm as well within that 2-week period. And here's a look at the debris that it picked up during this time. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.